Well, we have a Battalion Padlock. Doesn't have any markings on it. Nice little lock, hard and shackle. Keyway's a little tailed off to the right. Anyway, I'm going to try and open this baby up. I'm going to put a pry bar in the bottom. Won't fit in the top. It might, a little pry bar might fit in there, but try a Rytan hook. And got a little click in the rear. And click on number 2 and 3, 4. Sometimes it feels like there's serrated pins in here sometimes, but I don't know if there is. Definitely not getting no spool feedback, and there it is. And there's no way to get in there. It's like a cap in there. I don't even know how they got this thing together. No creases or anything. Anyway, it's unmarked. It's called made by Battalion. Pretty nice little lock. Wish I could put some spools in it though. Alright. Thanks for watching.